Goyal Brothers Prakashan presents the Illustrative Science series for classes 6 to 8. The series aligns with the NEP 2020's vision and employs NCF recommended Panchkosha Vikas-oriented development, Praman-based learning, and Panchapri pedagogical approach for holistic development. With engaging online resources accessible through the Merit Box app, curriculum goals and competency-based chapter content, and activities focused on hands-on learning, learners are set for a learning voyage full of exploration and skill building. Let's learn more about the book. Every chapter begins with the Learning Objectives box, defining the learning aims of the chapter. Once the chapter's objective is set, learners walk through the Let's Begin exercise, which is designed to recall facts or concepts to give a little background before introducing a new topic. Now that learners have developed some familiarity with the topic, we are ready to dive in. For young learners, science is more about curiosity than learning to think like a scientist. That's why curiosity kindling boxes are placed inside every chapter. These include Curiosity Corner, which features extra useful information in the form of extended learning, Trending Now, featuring fascinating facts closely related to the chapter, and Exploration Activities, which encourage students to learn more and satisfy their curiosity. Doing is learning, especially in science. In the Illustrative Science series, activities are designed to encourage hands-on learning. For example, try and learn activities encourage learners to experiment by themselves to verify facts or theories. Discover Together activities feature thought-provoking and brainstorming questions for group discussions and self-assessment. Project Ideas boxes suggest projects that will allow learning by doing and thinking. And activities in the Enrichment Corner offer additional activities and insights to broaden the learning experience. Acquiring skills is as important as developing conceptual understanding, and the questions in the Illustrative Science series are designed to encourage skill building. For that, case study-based questions are designed to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Assertion reason type questions encourage learners to be analytical in their problem-solving approach, and life skills exercises encourage developing self-awareness, socio-emotional, and green skills. In alignment with NEP's vision of building rootedness in India, the series features Indian science heritage and Know Your Scientist boxes, allowing learners to understand and appreciate the significant contributions of India in science and find inspiration. In addition to the Inside the Book features, plenty of resources are available for learners and teachers to enhance the learning experience. For learners, these single-skin accessible resources include AR and VR content for immersive learning experience, in-text interactive exercises, and the convenience of having doubts cleared up. All a learner needs to do is to scan. For teachers, we are providing the Teacher's Resource Book, containing lesson plans and detailed answers to textbook questions. In sum, Illustrative Science is going to enable learning by doing and encourage skill building and thinking like a scientist, all while having fun. Visit meritbox.app to purchase the book or request a sample at info@goyal-books.com or call us at the number on the screen for more information.